Sunday, supposed to be Cheryl's day out, but it turned into something else. Let me tell you about it, but first, time lapse. So, the day starts like this. Well, put them into the car, and Lyla's sitting here. Hi. Mika is sitting here. My wife is driving. I'm sitting right here. So that I can keep Lyla and Mika entertained and keep them in a good mood. Along the way, Mika gets a little bit agitated. But that's okay because we were about to reach the grocery place. So at the grocery place, we put each of them in a trolley. Hi! So that each of us can push and handle them. Got what we need, but we spent a little bit more time to shop around because Cheryl and I hasn't really been out together for a while, especially to do some groceries. And we love doing groceries. So I didn't record much video during the shopping process because it's really not easy to handle them at the same time when you need to hold your phone to vlog. Then we decided to have lunch at a nearby restaurant, and after the lunch, Cheryl and I figured that it's good for Lyla and Mika to go outdoor for a little bit. We really need them to be in a good mood when we drive. So the outdoor session, it was beautiful. And I really strongly believe that kids, they need to be outdoor. They need to express their energy at outdoor, especially with nature. So Lyla and Mika, they had a great time. Then before we go off, we went to Burger King and got 2 packs of fries. Those 2 packs of fries are attraction. Actually, they are distraction for both Mika and Lyla to keep them entertained with food. I know it's wrong in a way, but they didn't have much during lunch anyway, so the fries. It's 4 p.m. now, time for some Sunday house chores.